Good morning. You're listening to Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 4th July 2020 are as follows. NEET JEE main exams 2020 dates. Entrance exams postponed. HRD Minister announces new dates. NEET JEE main exam 2020. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal on Friday announced the centre's decision to postpone the NEET and JEE entrance examinations till September. As per the fresh date sheet, the JEE main examination will be held between September 1 to 6, while the advanced exam will be on September 27. The NEET exam will be conducted by the NTA on September 13. Keeping in mind the safety of students and to ensure quality education, we have decided to postpone JEE NEET examinations. JEE main examinations will be held between 1st to 6th September. JEE advanced examination will be held on 27 September and NEET examination will be held on 13th September, he said in a tweet. India now has 2 coronavirus vaccines set for human trials. All you need to know. After Bharat Biotech, which developed a potential novel coronavirus vaccine called Covaxin, Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila has been given the green light to begin phase 1 and 2 human trials of another coronavirus vaccine candidate. This is the second coronavirus vaccine to get approval for human trials in India. Novel coronavirus infections continue to climb here, with India becoming the world's 4th worst hit nation. On Friday, coronavirus cases in India stood at 6,25,544, with 20,903 new cases being registered in a single day. Your bravery will be a source of inspiration. PM Modi meet soldiers injured in Galwan face-off. During his unannounced visit to Ladakh amidst the tense border situation with China, Prime Minister Narendra Modi Friday interacted with the soldiers injured in the Galwan face-off last month. He told them that their bravery will be a source of inspiration for times to come and added that 130 crore Indians are proud of them. The brave hearts who left us have not gone without a reason. Together you all will also give a befitting reply, he told the injured soldiers while interacting with them at an army hospital in Leh Ladakh. International flights to remain suspended till July 31st, DGCA. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) on Friday announced extension of the suspension of scheduled international passenger flights in the country till July 31st. The aviation regulator, however, said that some international scheduled services on selected routes may be permitted on a case-to-case basis. It was on March 23rd when India suspended scheduled passenger flights due to the coronavirus crisis and a subsequent lockdown in the country. In a June 26 circular, the DGCA said it was suspending international passenger flights till July 15, 2020. However, it further extended the deadline till July 31st, 2020. That's all for today. I, Sumaya Ansari, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.